Hello everyone and welcome to the Sleep Lecture channel. Tonight we're journeying down a dark corridor, not one of fear, but one of profound rest and discovery. Think of this corridor as the transition from your busy, wakeful day to the quiet, restorative world of sleep. Many of us find this passage difficult to navigate. We toss and turn, our minds racing, the door to sleep seeming miles away. But what if I told you that you hold the key to unlock that door with ease, every single night? Tonight, we're not just talking about sleep. We're going to fundamentally change your relationship with it. We'll explore the science behind why we need it so desperately and uncover practical, simple techniques to guide you gently down that corridor. It's about more than just closing your eyes. It's about signaling to your body and mind that it's time to let go, to recharge, and to heal. So, get comfortable, dim the lights, and let's take the first step together into the peaceful darkness. First, let's understand the architecture of our sleep. It's not just an on-off switch. Sleep is a complex, multi-stage process. We cycle through different phases, from light sleep to deep sleep, and the famous REM, or rapid eye movement stage. Each stage has a unique and vital role. Deep sleep is your body's prime time for physical repair. It's when your muscles rebuild, your bones grow, and your immune system strengthens itself. Think of it as the night shift for your body's maintenance crew, diligently working to fix the day's wear and tear. Then there's REM sleep. This is where the magic happens for your mind. It's the stage most associated with dreaming, and it's crucial for memory consolidation and emotional regulation. During REM, your brain processes the experiences of the day, filing away important information and discarding the junk. It's like organizing your mental desktop, ensuring you wake up with a clear head, ready to learn and create. When we disrupt these cycles, perhaps by waking up frequently, we rob ourselves of these essential benefits, leading to grogginess, poor memory, and emotional instability. Understanding this structure helps us appreciate sleep not as a luxury, but as a non-negotiable biological necessity. So how do we ensure we navigate these sleep stages successfully? The secret lies in a powerful hormone called melatonin, often dubbed the hormone of darkness. Our bodies are designed to produce melatonin in response to darkness. This is the signal that tells every cell in your body it's nighttime and time to wind down. However, our modern lives are a direct assault on this natural process. The bright screens of our phones, tablets, and TVs emit a specific type of blue light that is particularly effective at suppressing melatonin production. When you're scrolling through your phone in bed, you're essentially telling your brain it's still daytime, stay alert. This creates a conflict. Your body is tired, but your brain isn't getting the chemical cue to initiate sleep. This is why one of the most powerful changes you can make is to create a digital sunset. An hour or two before bed, put away all screens. Let your environment darken. Use dim, warm lighting. This simple act allows your natural melatonin production to kick in, gently guiding you down that dark corridor towards sleep. Replace scrolling with reading a physical book, listening to calm music, or gentle stretching. You are re-establishing a primal rhythm that your body craves. Let's talk about the corridor itself. Your bedroom. Is it a sanctuary for sleep, or is it a multi-purpose room filled with distractions? For optimal sleep, your bedroom should be cool, dark, and quiet. The ideal temperature for sleep is surprisingly cool, around 18 degrees Celsius or 65 degrees Fahrenheit. A cooler room temperature helps to lower your core body temperature, which is another signal that facilitates sleep onset. Next, make it dark. Truly dark. Invest in blackout curtains or a comfortable eye mask. Even tiny amounts of light from a digital clock or a street lamp can disrupt your sleep cycles, even if you don't fully wake up. And finally, quiet. If you live in a noisy environment, consider using a white noise machine or earplugs. The goal is to create a consistent, non-disruptive soundscape. By optimizing these three elements, cool, dark, and quiet, you transform your bedroom from a potential source of stress into a powerful ally in your quest for restful sleep. It becomes a dedicated space, a haven where your only job is to rest and rejuvenate. Now let's address the racing mind, the biggest obstacle for many in their journey down the corridor. You're in your perfect sleep environment, but your brain won't shut off. You're replaying conversations, worrying about tomorrow's to-do list, or stressing about not being able to sleep. This is where mindfulness and breathing techniques become your superpower. One of the simplest yet most effective methods is the 4-7-8 breathing technique. It's incredibly easy to do. Lie comfortably in bed, close your eyes and exhale completely through your mouth. Then, close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Finally, exhale completely through your mouth, making a whooshing sound for a count of 8. This completes one cycle. Repeat this 3 to 4 times. This technique acts as a natural tranquilizer for the nervous system. It forces your mind to focus on the count and the physical sensation of breathing, pulling it away from anxious thought loops and activating your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest system. Another powerful tool is a brain dump. Keep a notebook by your bed. Before you try to sleep, spend 5 minutes writing down everything that's on your mind. All your worries, your tasks for the next day, any lingering thoughts. The act of getting them out of your head and onto paper is incredibly liberating. It's like telling your brain, I've acknowledged you, this is all captured and safe. Now you can rest. This externalizes your anxieties, preventing them from bouncing around in your skull when you should be drifting off. It clears the mental clutter, making the path to sleep smooth and clear. What you do during the day also profoundly impacts your sleep at night. Sleep isn't an isolated event. It's the culmination of your entire 24-hour cycle. One of the most important factors is light exposure during the day. Try to get at least 15-30 minutes of natural sunlight, especially in the morning. This bright light exposure helps to anchor your circadian rhythm, reinforcing the distinction between day and night. It makes your body's internal clock more robust, leading to stronger melatonin release in the evening. Physical activity is another key player. Regular exercise is fantastic for sleep, but timing matters. A vigorous workout can be energizing, so it's best to complete it at least a few hours before bedtime. A gentle walk or some light stretching in the evening, however, can be very beneficial for winding down. Also, be mindful of what you consume. Caffeine has a long half-life, meaning it can stay in your system for many hours. It's wise to avoid it from the early afternoon onwards. Alcohol, while it might make you feel drowsy initially, actually disrupts the second half of your sleep, particularly REM sleep, leading to a less restorative night. Finally, let's talk about consistency. Your body loves routine. Going to bed and waking up at roughly the same time every day, even on weekends, is one of the most effective ways to improve your sleep quality. This consistency reinforces your body's sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Think of it like training your body. When your alarm goes off at the same time each morning, and you dim the lights at the same time each night, you are conditioning a powerful, positive sleep habit. It might be difficult at first, especially on a Saturday morning, but the long-term benefits of a stable circadian rhythm are immense. We've walked this corridor together tonight, illuminating the path to better sleep. We've seen that sleep is a dynamic process, that darkness is our friend, and that our environment and daily habits hold immense power. The journey to restorative sleep isn't about finding a magic pill. It's about making a series of small, intentional changes. It's about creating a digital sunset, crafting a sleep sanctuary, calming a racing mind, and respecting your body's natural rhythms. Don't be discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Like any new skill, it takes practice and patience. Start with 1 or 2 of these techniques. Maybe you'll begin by putting your phone away an hour before bed, or trying the 4-7-8 breathing exercise. Be kind to yourself in this process. Your relationship with sleep is a lifelong one, and tonight, you have taken a significant step toward making it a peaceful and nourishing one. Embrace the darkness, and let it guide you to the deep rest you so deserve. Thank you for joining me on the Sleep Lecture channel. I hope this journey has been insightful for you. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more lectures to help you master the art of sleep. Sweet dreams.